It's a demonstration of adding iPod into a 2010 or 2011 Mazda CX-9 with the standard radio type you see here. The controls I'm going to cover in this video are going to be specific for the CX-9, but you can also use this video as a reference, as most other Mazdas are going to work the same that are covered in our application guide. To go into our interface's available modes, press the Start button. You can see we're already in iPod mode. Briefly, I want to cover the different modes available. You press the cat up and down button to change your modes. aux 2 is just going to give you a general audio input. aux 1 in this case, because we have our iPod hooked up to port 1 on the interface, is going to give you manual control of the iPod, and you can track forward and track forward and back using the tune knob or the steerable control buttons. That is going to limit your texts on the screen, and you can't browse the iPod from the radio, but again, you can use the iPod manually if you choose to do it, control it that way. We're now going to go into iPod mode, and in this mode we give you full text and full control of the iPod using the factory radio buttons. You can view the available text by hitting the display button. In the CX-9, it's the tune knob by just pressing it in, and that's going to show you your artist and song. In general, when you're browsing or using your iPod, you want to use the text field that begins with that underscore. That's going to give you your best overall experience as far as text and control. To browse your iPod, press preset 6. That's going to bring you in your preset or browsing menu, and you can browse by playlist, artist, album, track, genre, composer. We'll go ahead and browse by playlists. Press preset 6. It's going to take you in all your available playlists. Press preset 6 again. Choose the playlist, and then choose a song within that playlist. If at any time you're browsing, and say we're in browsing by album, and you want to browse by artist instead, press preset 5. It's going to bring you back out. Go back in, choose artists, press preset 6 to go in, then you can go in and choose, and that's going to show you your available albums, and then you can choose a track. So preset 6 is basically bring up your browse menu, make your selections, and preset 5 is once you're in your browsing menu, will back you up one menu step each time. Preset 4 is fast forward, and preset 3 is rewind, and preset 2 is going to be random song, random album, and random off. And that basically covers all the controls available in the Mazda iPod integration. And that was a demonstration of adding iPod in the 2010-2011 Mazda CX-9.